welcome back, fellas. We have episode, I think, 7 of Road to a Million. We're going to keep today short and sweet. Pretty much just going to go over the portfolio. Going to do a small market update, and that's really it. So let's get into it. Sitting at just about $61,000 in this portfolio. Since last time, I did make a major move, which I'm going to go over right now. As you can see, 3,800 SUI in here. What I did was I actually withdrew my liquidity from Cetus protocol. Now I'm going to explain why. Now, as you can see, I'll actually show you what happened on the chart. But we did see a pretty big dip the other day, down to 170. Actually, I'm going to show you on TradingView because it's going to show a little bit better. So let's go over to the 4-hour. Yeah, so this is SUI right here. I actually withdrew my liquidity right over here. It was around like 174, 175 at the very bottom of the range of my liquidity pool. Now, why did I do this? I'm not earning any fees anymore. Why did I do this? Now, when you're pairing SUI against, or any asset against USDC, right? You're pairing a stablecoin and SUI. It's going to sell your USDC to buy more SUI. So essentially, I entered that liquidity pool around over here, $2.80, and I've been earning fees this whole time. And as the market's been going down, my USDC has been being converted into more SUI. So essentially, what the market's been doing for me is it's been dollar cost averaging for me. And I've been buying more and more and more and more SUI as it's been going down. So I only entered about 400 or 500 SUI, and now I was able to withdraw about 700 SUI, so I parked it all in here. And that's the advantage of the liquidity pool, because essentially it's dollar cost averaging for you, and you're earning fees at the same time. So it was a win-win there. You know, I don't even have to think about it. I racked up about $100 from the pools here. If we do see it stable out a little bit, I might re-enter with some new cash, but we'll see. Fees are not crazy right now because the volume's not, ridiculous, but we'll see. We'll see about that. So, plus I'm getting APRs here anyway, so I'm kind of comfortable where it's at right now. Obviously, I'm not doing as much. I will show you my daily. Oop. Not synced. Yeah, so here we go. $2.71 a day, just about $3 a day right now. We're printing. Definitely not as much. We were doing about 6-7 before I withdrew the liquidity, but it's all right. That's not what I'm here for. I want to. At the end of the day, I want to ride this price appreciation of SUI. Mainly anyway. Plus, I am earning fees in Navi protocol anyway. I'll show you what we earned for the week. It's been just about 7 days, probably about 6.5 days. And we're gonna refresh this. There we go. Just about 20. It's going to be about $22 in fees this week. So that's a free $22. I'll show you actually what we got. Look at this: $5 in Walrus, $10, over $10 in DeepBook, USDC, and some other stuff that we've been supplying. A bunch of DeepBook, so that's good. I do really believe in DeepBook, so the more and more DeepBook I'm earning for free, the better. So yeah, that's that. I parked all of that SUI in here, so now we have 3,800 SUI. I'm gonna be buying more. Obviously, I'm gonna try to get this close to 5,000. We'll see, but I do want to buy more Walrus and more DeepBook, so we'll see about that. I think I had this Bitcoin last time, but I might have added more. The main reason is I wanted to just have this Bitcoin as collateral against this, just in case everything goes to zero or whatever. I want to have a stable position to stabilize this portfolio, just so we have zero chance of liquidation. I mean, the risk is we're not even close, but still, I wanted to have more in Bitcoin than I do debt at all times. That's kind of my goal with this portfolio. And yeah, so with that being said, no more Cetus for now. I might be adding that to that, but we'll see. I'm going to collect this later today, and I'm going to re-deposit most of it probably into Walrus. We'll see how it goes, but I might just resupply everything and just keep auto resupplying that way. We will see. Now, I do have to pay my taxes this week, so not sure how much I'm going to be buying, but we'll see about that next video. Hopefully I'm able to buy more Walrus and buy more Deep Book, maybe even more SUI too, but I'm going to try to just buy them all. And yeah, let's go to the Bitcoin chart, because I did want to discuss, we did see a nice bounce here. As you can see, we're on the daily time frame. This is not a logarithmic chart, but it's just a normal chart. And as you can see, this bullish divergence right here, I mean, it's same thing that happened over here. You have, this right here. And then you have this bullish divergence in the RSI over here. So I really think that's exactly what's going on over here and over here. It looks like the exact same pattern. I think, we're gonna, bounce a little bit over here first in this, 90,000, probably even lower. I would say this like 91,000, 90,000 range, until we go higher. But yeah, we'll see. That's definitely something to keep an eye out for. Not anything crazy really to go over. Ethereum still looking crazy cheap. I mean, this is just actually, it's crazy. I don't even know how that happened. Let's see, alt Bitcoin pairs were going down still. We didn't get a lower low on the wick, but with Bitcoin dominance still rising, I think that still could happen. So I wouldn't be, crazy in on altcoins rising anytime soon, in my opinion. Obviously, we have crypto market cap still looking pretty strong, but that's mainly just Bitcoin, honestly, in my opinion. US dollar index, look at this candle. That's what I want to show you guys. This is crazy, and this is very bullish. I mean, that candle's crazy. It really is. And if we go to liquidity index, we are right on track. I mean, look at this. We're past 22 highs at this point already. We're looking very strong. We have, this is the US money supply as well. Fed balance sheet right here going up. No, Fed liquidity, I mean. Going up, bullish divergence RSI, looking very good. Deep Book, a token that I want to keep buying. We have this nice U pattern that might be forming. We did see a little bit high on the RSI, but yeah, I mean, we're looking very, very good overall. No complaints. The only thing is Quant, my largest position, doing absolutely nothing. It's kind of crazy, but not really concerned still. These are still the ranges I'm looking to sell at, anywhere from $300 to about $800. I probably won't hold much in this little box here, maybe if at all, but we'll see. As far as any other charts go, I don't really have much else to say, but yeah, let's keep this going. We're gonna keep yield farming. And yeah, hopefully I'm able to put another chunk in next week. Like I said, it's going to be dependent on the taxes I have to pay. But yeah, I mean, I will take these prices all day. We're at we hit extreme fear twice in the last couple weeks. So this is the time I really want to, put the hammer down and keep buying. But yeah, hopefully we can buy more SUI. Hopefully we can buy more Deep Book and Walrus. And especially Walrus. I mean, look at this APR. It's ridiculous. 84%, 82%. I would love to keep buying Walrus. Put a big chunk in here. I mean, I'm earning Walrus and SUI on top of this. I'd be earning VSUI. So that's a no-brainer. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Let's go to let's go take a look some more charts here. Because I did want to show you the pi cycle top prediction, we really, I think there's no way that this bull run's over. There's no way. I mean, if you look at all these indicators together, we are, first of all, the cycle usually never ends before we go way past this green line. Like, usually we overshoot it, and that's when we're a little bit overbought and, watch out. But we didn't even hit that yet. That's why I'm not concerned much. We have... yep. 200-week moving average. Heat map, we didn't even hit anywhere close to the... I mean, this is a no-brainer, guys. It really is. In my opinion, we're still in these phases. This phase of the bull run. And the big orange man is going to get us to where we need to go. And that's it. That's it. Trump's going to get us to where we need to go. And yeah, that's why I have full faith. I'm going to keep buying, and yeah. That's it. That's all I got. I'll see everyone in the next video.